Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 9th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from CASY's, one of the leading convenience store chains in the United States. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. CASY's has just released their fourth quarter and full year results for fiscal 2025, and there's a lot to unpack. I'm excited to discuss the key highlights and what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. CASY's reported a total revenue of $3.99 billion for the fourth quarter. Net income came in at $98.3 million, and EBITDA was $263 million. The diluted EPS for the quarter was $2.63, which is a 12.4% increase from the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
These numbers are quite impressive. The revenue growth is a testament to CASY's strong market presence and operational efficiency. The increase in net income and EBITDA indicates that the company is effectively managing its costs and driving profitability. The EPS of $2.63 not only beats the analyst forecast of $1.93, but also shows a significant year-over-year improvement.
Inside sales and fuel performance. CASY's inside sales grew by 12.4% in the fourth quarter, with an inside margin of 41.2%. Additionally, the fuel gross profit increased by 21.4%, with a fuel margin of 37.6 cents per gallon. How did these segments contribute to the overall performance, John?
The inside sales growth is driven by strong performance in categories like bakery, hot and cold food, and non-alcoholic beverages. The consistent inside margin reflects effective pricing strategies. On the fuel side, the increase in gross profit and margin indicates that CASY's is capitalizing on its expanded store base and market share gains. These segments are crucial for sustaining the company's growth trajectory.
Strategic initiatives and expansion. CASY's has been aggressive with its expansion, adding 270 new stores, including the acquisition of 198 CFCO stores from Fikes Wholesale. The CASY's Rewards program also grew to over 9 million members. How do these strategic initiatives position the company for future growth?
CASY's expansion strategy is clearly paying off. The acquisition of CFCO stores significantly boosts their footprint and market presence. The growth in the rewards program enhances customer loyalty and engagement. Additionally, maintaining a healthy debt-to-EBITDA ratio of 1.9x ensures financial stability, allowing CASY's to continue investing in growth opportunities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operating expenses increased by 14.5% in the fourth quarter, largely due to the addition of new stores. Despite this, CASY's increased its quarterly dividend by 14% to 50 cents per share. Looking ahead, the company expects EBITDA to grow by 10% to 12% in fiscal 2026 and plans to open at least 80 new stores. What does this tell us about CASY's operational strategy and future outlook?
The increase in operating expenses is expected with such a significant expansion. However, the dividend increase reflects confidence in their cash flow and profitability. The guidance for EBITDA growth and new store openings indicates that CASY's is committed to scaling its operations while maintaining financial discipline. This positions them well for continued success in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, CASY's has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025, with significant growth in revenue, profitability, and store expansion. The EPS of $2.63 beat the forecast of $1.93, and the company continues to reward shareholders with a 14% dividend increase. Thank you, John, for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. CASY's is certainly a company to watch, given its strategic initiatives and robust financial performance.
Thank you for tuning in to Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Casey's performance in the comments below. Until next time.